Hello again, this is Rick Frost, Kilo 4, Romeo Echo Foxtrot. Welcome back for another one of our Winlink update videos that will cover features of RMS Express that you might not be aware of. In this program, we'll be looking at the new forecast feature in RMS Express version 1.2.36.0. On the screen, you'll see a typical WinMore interface setup. Where the arrow is, you'll see channel selection. Normally, you go to channel selection to pick out the available stations that you can use for connections. In this case, we're looking at NOIA. This is a station in Florida that I use a lot and really like. And the current conditions for that station show it at a quality path of 44. Well, what if I want to know what's going on the rest of the day as far as connections to this stations and which particular frequencies and bands would be the best ones to connect on? Well, normally what I've always had to do in the past is go to Airmail and open up the propagation window there. This is the same information that the RMS Express uses from the government's propagation software, and it's basically a best guess. But this shows you for the whole 24-hour period for NOIA what the best connection times will be on the different bands. And I've used this screen a lot, and it's the only reason I go into Airmail. I really don't use Airmail other than this screen very much. So you can see here for a particular hour, this is what the current hour is, but then you can see what it is for the whole day. And it makes it really good for planning out my connections during the day if I want to use a particular band that my antenna likes, for instance. Well, if you come back to RMS Express, if you'll notice when you go into the channel selection section, there's a new tab called Forecast at the top. And if you click on Forecast, where you've already selected NOIA down below it, when you click on Forecast, it now brings up the propagation for the 24-hour period. And it shows you all the available bands that that station has. So it's unique to that particular station, and it shows the best guess for connections during the day. This is a wonderful addition to the software as far as I'm concerned, because it's something that I use quite often. One other thing to know is that if you already have the channel selected in the WinMore window here, Forecast tab is available in the window itself. So if you already have NOIA chosen and that's the forecast you want to see, just click on Forecast. It will take you to the same location. So that's a new feature. I've loved that they've added it. I hope you enjoy it.